Pierre, you want to come out here?
Y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome. Subscribe because you're gonna love it. But if y'all not, hey. So today's video is, well, welcome to Vlogmas week 3. Actually, this isn't even a regular video. Welcome to Vlogmas week 3. I've been so consistent. Y'all can't say I have not been consistent. I literally just posted week 2 yesterday, and week 2 went viral. So thank y'all. I'm hoping that week 2 goes viral as well. So yeah, today is like a regular day. It's Sunday. We have to reset, clean up a little bit, wash this hair because I did my ponytail and it's just full of like products and all that stuff. But we're going to also, I have to go to Target. I'm vlogging this whole week because this is like Spirit Week before winter break. But so we have this week Spirit Week, and then next week is exam week, and then I have Christmas break. So yeah, we're gonna
if he looking your way, then he is not my hoe. Off the done, I go crazy till I'm psycho. Call the DUI, but it's okay, I got
I'm about to go shower. It's, I don't know what time it is. It's like, that was 3:21. And yeah, I'm about to go shower and wash my hair and all that stuff. So fit check. I'm finna wear my black shorts because it's just a quick little Target run. I'm just gonna wear my black shorts with my stitch shirt that I got from Falling Below, and it's Christmas. But I low-key want to find a top to wear before I put this on because I know my hair is gonna be wet. Or I could just wear this tank top. Ooh. Yeah, I made a living off of YouTube. Okay, yeah, we're gonna wear this tank top while I get out, and then I'll wear my stitch shirt. So, oh, I forgot I left this. This was a whole outfit I could have wore. I don't know why I wore this, but all right, let me.
You know, let's hit it, my nigga. I made him $1 million, now fuck it, we all rich. I ain't tryna have babies right now, so we fuck with a rubber, but I got a raw bitch. Know this money bring Evie, you probably won't give me, but bro, we can't be by no small shit. Overseas got a crowd doing my shit. Can't believe that I'm still in apartments. Businessman when it got me in office. $1 million deals, I get them often. $1 million was serving on Spar Street. I'm legit, he gon' stay with the chopstick. I got raw, that shit made me a monster. He bitch, you know this my sister, my mom. Now they houses as big as they want. I didn't realize no motherfucking commas. Get little dominant. Living like we in a race, I might come in first and second, but I don't know be last.
We're at, oh, okay. We're at Walmart to get my tank top. It's so dark. I don't know, I'm getting sweat. But they have no tank tops. The tank tops I seen was too big. I look.
I've been making by the time I get 40, I gotta be one of them greats. Watch how I move with this paper, I know if I strip up one time, they gon' try to come take. Really shit getting these niggas be faking, I don't want they vibes, so they hand ain't shit.
Hey y'all, I'm at home. I'm gonna show y'all what I got in a minute. But we went to Zaxby's and got that little family meal. I tore that food up. I was so hungry. I tore like 5 times up, and then fries. I gotta take this shirt off because I think I might wear this shirt. Okay y'all. So I couldn't find no tank top, but I got this top. I'm gonna show y'all the outfit inspiration. But I got this regular white top, and yeah, I'm gonna just wear this white tank top with my thing tomorrow, and that's it. That's all I got. Oh, we got some Chick-fil-A chips, but yeah, that's really all I got. I'm about to pack my bags and that stuff. I put my clothes to wash. Hey y'all, I look crazy. I'm about to get dressed and all that stuff. Spirit Week Day 1 pajama day. And I'm gonna wear my Santa pajamas with my white tank top. Okay, then I'm gonna wear my stitch slippers. I'm gonna get on match. If I would try to do a messy one, but like to the point where it could stay, or if I should just do a side part. Should I do a side part? I'll try the messy bun first, and then if I can't get it right, then I'll do the side part. Y'all look how red my hair is right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like really red. I don't know. Okay guys, it's lunch, but it's too cold to be outside, so we inside. Actually, I just are y'all gonna say hey? We leaving fourth period. We're gonna go to I was about to say lunch. To clap. And Zion munching on these Oreos. But she swears she don't like chocolate though. I don't like chocolate. But she like Oreos. Ain't chocolate. Yeah. Yes they are. Okay, put in the comments if you think Oreos are chocolate. It's chocolate. Yeah, we're gonna be the next upcoming YouTubers, y'all. But Zion has a lot in, so. Yes, I have. Okay, y'all, we going to class. I don't know. Okay, y'all see how we matching though? But we missing Kalia. Okay, y'all. Okay.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, for VLOGMAS?
Yes. We in fifth.
I'm happy.
Fifth period. Okay, hey guys. We're in sixth period. We're in Spanish. I'm about to do my work. Oh, this is what I was asking you about. This. Hey y'all.
We finna go vlog.
Okay y'all, we going to class.
From trees.
Okay guys.
Oh.
So trees dry out because they lose water through their leaves. Do you think there's some trees that have the ability to close their pores so that they can save water?
Yeah.
Yeah, and also
Pajama
cacti
game.
do that. That's why they can retain water.
Everybody got these.
They can
And I had
actually
my
close
slippers
their
on,
stomata.
but
I would never wear no house slippers on campus. Like, it was wet outside.
I know.
Amari's dad had to drop her off some cross.
I know I seen that, but like, I kid you not, it's been so hard to walk in these. Now they're dirty, and I washed them these the other day.
And he got on Stitch socks. I literally have Stitch pajamas and socks too.
I wanted to get the Stitch ones from Walmart, but they weren't Christmas, so I didn't get them.
It had to be Christmas.
But I wanted them to be
What
Christmas.
about part D?
Oh yeah. Okay, y'all, don't mind my hair. I'm back home, and I'm currently heating up some Zaxby's chicken tender leftovers from yesterday. So, yeah. Those are the ones that are left. I don't know if y'all can see them. Yeah. The Zaxby's tenders are so good. So good. But I'm gonna give y'all the rundown of my day in a minute. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go make these cakes that I'm selling at school tomorrow.
You got to know the boy future is the aim. My work to make the J's do the jump, man, came. You got to know this the remix right here. Grand hustle, baby, it's the kings right here. You got to know we got black is extra side. Don't I love my vegetables, extra cheese and black. Don't young lady like to kick it like karate. Don't I be with J Money serving everybody? Ain't we up in Magic City throwing up the prize? Me and Tip take it off like karate. Ain't my money long. Ain't I still putting on. Ain't I smoking strong. Ain't I putting on. Ain't I rocking yang. Ain't my money long.
Trunk will make you do the Macarena. Pull up to the floor, yeah, motherfucker, ain't I? All black cool, I can buy it, bitch, can't I? Remix, Young LA and T.I., this a banger. Throw you on that thing, you don't hear me trick, ain't I? Big road rusties, and I got them nauseous. We be the Ferraris, the cars with the horses. Ain't I on the pill, ride down deal. Ice 30 below, minus the wind chill. Ain't I packing chrome, and I'm blowing strong. Ain't I got it going on your drone.
Ain't I smoking strong. Ain't I putting on. Ain't I rocking yang. Bring my money home.
King, homie. Well, ain't I? Rap, blowing purple label, ain't I fresh as I could be? Made it through my situation, ain't I blessed as I could be? Ain't I laughing at these haters trying to take a shot at me? They don't know which way to go, I make it easy, follow me. Honestly, ain't I insane? I think that's the way I gotta be. Ain't I so super fly, boy, ain't nobody hiding me. ATI all on TV when he wake up and go to sleep. Everywhere they notice me, ain't for yourself, just go and see. My community I'm serving, though they hope I don't succeed. Hear me speak, they so intrigued. Ain't he snitching? No indeed, you come with that common flow, your show I have to commandeer. Since I see you can't take over,
but I just have to volunteer. Hey, ain't I your superior? Listen here, bro, you not up here. I'm so on once it ain't funny. Twice the G that I appear. Rep make it so loud and clear. Gon' be gone for about a year, so paper trail you gotta hear. But ain't I out of here? Hey, ain't I smoking strong? Ain't I putting on? Ain't I rocking yang? Ain't my money long?
Okay, good morning. Today is whiteout. Oh my god, ignore the slobber on my face. Today's whiteout. So we want to put this outfit together to see how it looks. But I know for sure I'm gonna wear this white shirt. But we're gonna try on the pants. Let's see. Okay, y'all, this not the move. These shorts are way too big, so I'm gonna wear my jeans. Okay, we're gonna wear these jeans instead. Okay, y'all, changed jeans like 3 times. But I found these light blue ones, which is good because what I was trying to go for was light blue. I'll show y'all, hold on. Y'all see them? I think I'm gonna wear my my Vans. I would wear my sandals, but I never did my toes. So Vans is the way to go. So slippers might be the way to go. But I'm finna wear my black. It's white out. My slippers got black. I don't got no white curve, so my silver one would look so cute, but I don't have that. So okay. The outfit don't even look bad, bro. It looked kind of dumb with the slippers, but who cares? Like for real. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go look for something to eat.
Okay, hey y'all, we made it. Okay, y'all, we're in the cafeteria. Ooh. This is the new Mario Alexia group. It's the new Mario Alexia group. Whatever that is. You know what that is? She don't know what that is. Y'all know I don't know. It's a YouTuber. She got all her friends, they all do content. Well, Zion started her whole. Okay, y'all, we're leaving. We're leaving cafeteria. We're going to first period. It's like really cold. Really cold. Okay, hey y'all, we're going to lunch. Hey y'all, we at lunch. Oh, it's 1:33 p.m. I don't know if you can see that. Tell your brightness. Oh, your brightness is. I don't know, but yeah. Her iPad is broken. Okay, y'all, we in the lunch line.
Little fries. You get ranch.
He hungry. That plate full. Okay, y'all, we're going back outside. Y'all see that?
Some are here
Okay.
in Africa. They're
Wait, you
growing
can't
like
even hear
crazy,
it.
like Nigeria.
I don't care. You
Whereas
don't have
over
to hear
here,
it.
that's
Okay,
where
we
the
can hear it.
United
Let's
States
stop.
is. Japan
I'm just gonna let
is
you hear
like
it.
there. Japan's fertility rate is below, and so its death rate is higher than its birth rate, which is why they're declining in population. Because a lot of old people, that's what old people do. It's increased, but then towards the end, it's gonna decrease.
I know it's TikTok. Can I get something for Christmas? No.
And I'm gonna write why. Birth rate remains high as the death rate drops.
Yo.
Recorded a TikTok video.
Are you guys good? Like you understand
Like, why
that
would
part?
he say that?
For now, until we turn into Japan. Japan looks like a coffin, doesn't it? Well, that represents a high death rate because of all the old people about to die. And this would be a declining. They do not want people immigrating to Japan. So they close, I mean, it's easy to do
That was on me.
close your borders, but then they have all kinds of other issues.
We can't do nothing right.
They don't have enough young people to support their place. So, like, what were some of the pro-natal policies that you remember?
Oh, pro-natal? More kids equals more money spent.
I'm gonna say pro-babies. And like, if you know that pro-natal means pro-babies, anything that increases birth rate is policy.
Japan holy?
Right? You want to have kids.
Japan
Like, the
holy?
government
Oh,
wants you to have
Italy.
kids. What if they give you money for every kid that you have? That's a pro-natal.
Hey, I just went home. I'm about to change out this top. But I don't got no homework or nothing. Let me show y'all the fit. I don't know if I showed y'all the fit. But this was the fit. Oh, I think I did show y'all. But I think the fit was cute. It was a cute little simple fit. I like this top. Okay, y'all, we at Dollar Tree. Getting some little activities for our friends miss. Ooh, I like that one. They got some cute stuff. I came here to get my cookies for my cakes. But yeah. Okay, y'all. Let me give y'all a haul right quick. We got the cake mix, the Oreos, and the Chips Ahoy for the cakes. I'm gonna make them again because they did really good today, and a lot of people asked me and I told them I didn't have any more, so I'm gonna make them today. But yeah, I'm gonna eat first. I'm gonna wait for my mom to finish cooking the drumsticks. Okay, I did not want to wake up. I think we're gonna go shorts and shirt today, but I got tested today, so yeah. Okay, y'all, either I wear that or I wear my Ed Hardy. I don't know, I'm gonna put both of them on. We just gonna wear my Ed Hardy, y'all. Okay, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, but today is character day, but that's why I was gonna wear my Stitch shirt, but I might just wear that Friday. So I'm wearing my Ed Hardy because I got an appointment later. I got an orthodontist appointment anyways.
Hey y'all, we going to class. We gotta take this slow test. Hey y'all. I'm going to first period, but we got tested, so I'll see y'all after at test.
Can you ask some?
I'm in the elevator in public. My mom made me go alone. Okay, y'all. I'm back home. Doing my hair look, and I look crazy. But y'all, I got me flowers. They're so cute. They're pink. I want to get tulips because tulips are my favorite flowers, but I feel like paying $9. So we got these. Here's a bouquet. I gotta put them in water. But yeah, I'm gonna get myself situated right quick. I look so crazy. Oh my god. Hold on, y'all. Hey y'all. So I really didn't record today at all. I didn't record in the morning. I didn't record at school. I didn't record anything. But I'm back home. It's 7:52, so I've been home for like 3 hours. But I've been doing work. Did I show you my braces? Red on the top, green on the bottom. But yeah, I've been home for a little minute and I've just been doing my work. Whole bunch of midterm review packets and junk. So yeah, I'm doing my history one right now. I feel like it's a lot. So yeah, I just want to give y'all that update because I literally didn't vlog today. Tomorrow's finally Friday. Like, I don't know why, but like this week I've just been waiting for it to be Friday so bad. Like, I look crazy right now, but yeah, I'm just ready for it to be Friday. I'm not gonna lie. My mom made the cakes for me while I did my work, so I'll be still tomorrow. But yeah, just wanna update you. Okay, y'all. I look a mess. I woke up crazy. I mean, I woke up late. Okay, I'm about to brush my teeth and stuff, but I forgot to show y'all, but these are the cakes. Chocolate cakes. I'm currently eating mine.